Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I'm back. Been a couple of days in the hospital with dizziness. Anyway, I had like 1,200 emails I had to catch up on, and one of them that came in this morning was from Dave at Dave's Radio News, and he had more information about the new Sangean ATS-909x2, and it's down here on the bottom of this page. He also mentions that there's a new firmware coming out, the 070, and if you go further down, he's got lots of information. Here's his updated reports that he's giving out. And the thing that he wanted me to pass on to you is problem right here in yellow. And he ran into a problem with his test sample that he was experiencing strange interference on medium wave and short wave. And he says the good news is we have found where it's coming from after 2 days of investigating. And it's coming from a desktop computer Wi-Fi signal in the same room, which I've experienced that on other radios. And he was able to move the radio away from that device and the problem went away. He doesn't think the new firmware, the 070, will address this problem, but he doesn't feel like it's a serious problem as long as you stay away from these Wi-Fi routers and devices. And he's got a sound bite right here. I think I can play that so you can hear what the problem is.
Well, I'll tell you what, I'll climb up on a big hill and see if you can see me from Indiana. How's that?
That sounds good. We do have a set of flags, so we're ready.
Okay.
But in all seriousness, we don't.
So did you hear that kind of popping sound that seemed to be breaking in on that telecast? You can go to his webpage, and I will put a link to this page right here, and you have to go down near the bottom and read in detail his previous post on this new radio and this latest post, which he wanted people to know about this, in that it's not really a defect and it's probably not going to be corrected anytime soon. You just have to stay away from these Wi-Fi devices, and I've had other radios that suffer from that. So that's it. I want to thank Dave for this information, and he gave me permission to present this to you. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Oh, by the way, if you happen to be one of the few people that saw a little hiccup I did this morning where I actually turned on streaming, I apologize. I was trying to get my OBS software working correctly again, and it accidentally streamed for a few seconds. So ignore that video. I've since deleted it. Sorry, I'm trying to get my act back together. Have a great day. Bye-bye.